What if the legendary Arjun competed in a modern archery tournament? This is the Digital Kurukshetra, where technology claims to create the perfect archer. To test focus, the arena unleashes distractions from every direction. While machines measure performance, Arjun measures his breath. In a world full of motion, mastery begins with stillness. Technology can assist the hand, but it cannot control the mind. When the world becomes chaotic, true focus becomes visible. Arjun does not aim at the fish, he aims at its eye. In one silent moment, intuition defeats every algorithm. Victory is not always loud. Sometimes it is simply quiet confidence. In an age of endless distraction, the greatest power is focus. Find your own target and let nothing distract you.